creating, editing, or deleting employees. Creating a new employee record. Hiring the right employees is essential for maintaining and increasing productivity within a business. The information about the hired personnel should be recorded for efficient employee management. This can be effectively achieved by creating an employee record in the system. To create a new employee record, begin by navigating to Human Resources from the Explorer sidebar and then click Employees. You are now on the Employees list page. Click on the New Employee button. This will open a flyout, allowing you to enter information into the provided fields. The fields that appear highlighted in red are mandatory for creating a new employee record. While the mandatory fields form the minimum set of information required, it is recommended that you fill in as many relevant fields as possible to maintain good record keeping. An important field here is User. This is the existing Office 365 user, which will get linked to this employee record. If the relevant user does not exist in the list, please consult support to have the new employee provisioned in your organization Microsoft account. Finally, click on Create to successfully create a new employee record. In many practical scenarios, you will not have all the relevant information at the time of creating the record. In such cases, you can create the employee record with the available information and edit it later. Editing an employee record. To edit an employee record, navigate to Employees list page. Locate the employee record you want to edit, either by scrolling through or using the search bar. Click on the employee title you wish to edit. Here, all the editable fields of the employee record are displayed. You can also input additional details in this tab. Make the necessary edits to the relevant fields and click on the Save button to store the changes. The activity feed will show a history of changes made to the employee record, and if desired, you can roll back to a previous version. To roll back to a previous version, go to the Details page and click the Rollback button. This will display the version history for the employee record. Select a specific version and save the changes. Deleting an employee record. Deleting an employee record is not recommended. Rather, you should consider changing the status to Archived. This way, you can maintain both past and current employee records. However, in cases of incorrect data entry or duplicate employee records being created, you can delete the record. To delete an employee record, there are two options. From the Employee Details page, simply click on the Delete button to delete the employee record. Alternatively, if you wish to delete multiple employee records at once, navigate to the Employees list page and select all the employee records you want to delete and press the Delete button.